This is a Kinex Cappers fully automatic bottle filling and capping line. This production line consists of a 4-head Reliamax filling machine, a quick feed cap feeder, and a single-head Automax capping machine. Empty bottles can be placed on a rotating accumulation table with an unscrambler to assist as they flow onto the primary conveyor. The bottles then enter the filling machine mounted to the conveyor. When 4 bottles reach the filling station, the 4 nozzles of the Kinex Cappers Reliamax descend to precisely fill the bottles to a desired volume. In this automatic bottle filling and capping line, caps are placed on the bottles using the quick feed cap feeder. The quick feed orients caps in the cap sorting barrel before sending them down the cap chute. Here, they are picked up by the integrated pick and place system and placed onto bottles in the queue. Bottles then enter the final stage of the production line, the capping station. Here, the Automax employs a gate and sensor system to hold the bottles while each cap is tightened with a high-accuracy motor. The bottling process is completed by another accumulation table mounted at the end of the conveyor. A fully automatic bottle filling and capping line drastically improves productivity by removing the need for manual cap placement. Using the machines featured in this video, you can reach rates of up to 60 bottles per minute. At Kinex Cappers, we understand that every business has unique bottling needs. That's why we offer a wide range of bottling equipment that can be purchased individually, allowing you to build a customized filling and capping line that precisely fits your requirements. Call and speak to one of our industry experts to start building your ideal production line today.